Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hair so the clip holds securely. Work on dry, detangled strands to avoid slippage. Use a comb to section a 1/4 to 1/3 triangle for your bangs and pin the rest back with a claw or alligator clips. Once done, hold the triangular perimeter taut to see natural fall and growth direction. This lets you place the clip where it supports weight without pulling. Make sure the base of the section sits just above the eyebrow line. You now position the clip for secure hold and natural movement. Select a slim snap or small claw that won't bulk the fringe and place it at the base of the section with the teeth against the scalp. This grips roots rather than midshaft. Angle the clip slightly downward so the hair falls forward instead of flipping up. Once secured, gently tap the clipped area to settle, then release tension from the rest of the hair to test natural drape and make micro adjustments for symmetry. You finish by blending and testing the clipped bangs. Smooth them forward and trim any stray pieces if necessary, but only a tiny amount to avoid overcutting. Move your jaw, smile, and comb through to ensure the clip doesn't pull or show. This checks both comfort and appearance. If the clip slips, make sure the teeth contact the scalp. Swap to a firmer clip or add a discreet bobby pin at the root for extra grip. Finally, reset any loose strands and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.